it's Emily and I am standing here in the nursery today getting ready to organize all of the outgrown baby clothes. I set up a system to kind of keep them all out of our way to make room for bigger clothes, and believe it or not, we already have a 1-year-old in our house, which means we have lots of little itty bitty baby clothes that need to be folded up, organized, and packed away in storage to make room for new things. So let me show you what I'm up to. So when I originally put together the nursery, I set up this whole closet with the dressers used as a changing table, and the drawers hold all of the baby clothes. And then there are storage totes on the shelf up above that hold just extra diaper supplies, and there's also a special one that holds outgrown baby clothing. And so every time that Chloe outgrows clothing, just as I'm getting her ready for the day, if I find something that's too small, I just throw it in this tote that's up on the closet shelf. And that way it's out of the dresser, we don't have to mess with it again, and we know it's ready to be packed away in storage. So once the storage bin gets full of outgrown clothing in the closet, I set aside a little bit of time on the weekend to dump it all out on the floor in front of me, and then I sort everything by size, fold it neatly, and pack it away in plastic storage bags that I get from Dollar Tree. They're $1 a piece, they hold a lot of clothing, and they're the ones that you're able to push all of the extra air out once they're sealed, so that way you can put them away in plastic storage totes in your basement or your attic or wherever. So I created a set of free printable organizing labels that you can use to label all of these storage bags of clothes so that you're able to quickly identify what size is in each bag. I print these labels out on my home printer, and then I just cut them apart with a scissor or a paper trimmer. There's room to jot down any notes if you want to identify any specific things in each bag, and then what I do is I just tuck the plain old paper label in the top of the plastic bag before I seal it, and then I just stack all of these storage bags inside plastic totes, and I pack them away in the basement so that they're out of our way until we need them again. Thanks so much for tuning into this video today. I hope that I gave you some great ideas that you can implement in your own home to organize outgrown kids' clothing so they don't clutter up your closet and all of your kids' rooms. If you have any great tips or tricks to share for organizing kids' clothes, we would love to hear about them in the comments down below. And while you're at it, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more organizing videos from me, I would greatly appreciate it if you would hit that YouTube subscribe button so that I know you liked this video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you soon. Happy organizing! Bye!